Okay, guys, welcome to another episode. Today, I'm going to share with you. The best fair value gap trading strategy you can actually use to trade, to swing trade or day trade, or even you can do it. You can scalp using this fair value gap trading strategy. Actually, before even we go into our strategy, we have to know what a fair value gap is and how do we find fair value gaps, right? So actually, fair value gap, fair value gap is just a point where the market is being imbalanced, right? Okay, so let me say if this is my market, right? If this is my market, uh, right? So always I must look for the fair value gap, like in the extreme end, right? Or what we call discount or premium zone, right? You must always use or look for fair value gaps from the premium or discount levels. And if the market is bullish, for example, if this is our market, right? If this is our market and the market is bullish, right? So here we must always look for the fair value gap, right? For the fair value gap, which is in the what? In the discount, right? In the discount level, so that you cannot be trapped when you have entered your trade, right? So always we have to look for the fair value gaps in the extreme, right? Discount or premium zones. Okay. So, and fair value gaps actually, as we've said that it is just a point where the market is being imbalanced. Okay. So let me go to the chart and I show you what I mean by a fair value gap. Okay, guys. All right. So now you must look for actually three consecutive candles, right? For example, if I'm having this candle here, right? So if I have this candle here, this is the first candle, and I have this another one here, this is the second candle in the middle, then this is the third candle here. Means between this third candle and this first candle are like in between here, this is what we call a fair value gap, right? So also here the color actually doesn't matter. For example, we can say here if I'm having like if I'm having my first candle, this one here, this upper one, and also if I'm having this downer candle here, this one here, means in between this candle, this green candle and this one, this bearish one, like in between there is this long candle, and like in between there is a fair value gap in between. This is what we call a fair value gap, guys. Okay, so always you must consider that, guys. Okay. So now this is our market, right? And also what you have to know, you must always trade with the trend. Okay, you must look for the trend. You must follow where the market is moving. When it is bullish, you must get what bullish fair value gap. When it is bearish, you must get what opportunities for sales, guys. Okay, hope you're getting it. So this is our market here. We must always follow the recent market structure. Okay, so this one, let's say this is our recent high. Okay, this is our recent high here, and this is our recent low. So let's wait and we see where the market will break. Okay, so let's pray and we see where the market will break. Okay, so now guys, the market has gone up, right? That means we are in the bearish market, right? So now if we have broken this structure, this is a break of structure, guys. Okay, so now if we have gotten this break of structure, the upside, okay, let's mark it here. This is our break of structure here. Okay, this break of structure. If we've gotten our break of structure there, right? So now we must look for the fair value gap in the extreme, what we call in our discount zone, right? Now we are looking for fair value gaps, guys, here. Okay, so here look closely, and there we look for the fair value gap. So we have this first fair value gap here, and also we have the second fair value gap between this candle, between this bearish candle and this one. Okay, so we have the first zone is there, and there is this zone. Okay, so but this zone, it is the one which is in our discount level. Okay, so that means let's wait for the market and we see how it will play out. Okay, So guys, as you can see here, the market just came and retested our fair value gap, and boom, it went in our direction, guys. Okay, so now we can also wait for our break of structure either side, and we look for another fair value gap, guys. Okay, so let's see another example here. We've gotten a bearish market there because of that that break of structure. Then after getting that, we have we have some fair value gaps. Yes, okay, so let's look for some fair value gaps in our extreme. Now we are looking here for the fair value gap from what? From our extreme premium, right? So now this actually the market has to come up to our premium zones up here. So we have that first fair value gap here. Then if you consider like this one and this one, actually here this fair value gap is already tested, this one, right? So this one is already tested here, means the market will not come back up there. Let's just wait for the break of structure and we see how the market will move. Okay, so so now actually that is the first example. Let's go to another pair and we see another example, guys, right? So here we've gone to our GBP-JPY pair to see another example, guys, right? So now if we come to our GBP-JPY, right? So let's just see our replay tool here. Okay, let's just get our replay tool. Okay, so now here let's wait for the break for the clear market structure. Here we must wait for the clear market structure. Okay, we wait for the clear market structure there. Okay, so now we've gotten a clear market structure, guys. Okay, after getting a clear market structure here, we must indicate our fair. Actually, we have very many fair value gaps here. From now the market is what is it is bullish. We must consider the extremes ones, and the ones that are in the discount zone. So let's indicate some here, some fair value gaps, and we see how it will move. We have this first one here, then we have this one which has been formed immediately after the break of the structure here. So let's see where it will retest. Okay, so now it has just tested this first fair value gap here. So means, and it has given us a kind of a confirmation here. Then someone will just enter from here and wait for the break. Then it has given us another fair value gap here. So there are very many here that have been formed immediately. There is also this fair value gap that has been formed here. Actually, there's this fair value gap that has been formed there. So also you will see that the market will come test it. Okay, then boom, it went just up like that. So these fair value gaps actually they are very good. Then if you really consider them, you can get some profitable trades in the day, and you can swing trade or the trade with this good strategy, guys. Okay, so thank you for watching, consider subscribing and giving a like to this video.